Hey Gatekeepers, this is Hannah Campbell, your Ministry of Helps Director, just reaching out to you, and I hope you're having a great Thursday afternoon. We wanted to let you know about Easter Sunday and what is going to be happening. We're going to have an amazing Easter Sunday. Our pastors and staff are working really hard to make sure that everyone's experience is just awesome. We're going to be busing kids in and families in from the Street Reach sites. We're going to be having donuts and juice out front, as well as a big welcome tent. We're going to have prize giveaways, all sorts of welcome gifts for our new visitors. And most importantly, we want to have you guys take part in Sunday morning. If you're already scheduled for Easter morning, you're going to be scheduled as you usually are, but we're looking for more gatekeepers to sign up to serve. We're going to be needing extra parking, extra bus drivers, extra care, extra greeters, extra ushers, and we would love it if you would take part. So I'm going to include the sign up link. Make sure you guys go online and sign up today. We are looking to double and even triple our gatekeeper teams just for Easter Sunday. Be sure to sign up. We love you guys so much. Thank you for taking part in everything that you do here at World Harvest.